Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going ahead and showing you my relaxer day, wash day routine. Well, it's not relaxer day, but my hair is relaxed. I am 2 weeks post in this video, so I just went ahead and combed out my hair, and I'm using this hot oil treatment. I got it from Walmart. It was really inexpensive, and I absolutely loved it. It made my hair so soft and so hydrated, especially for winter. My hair gets super duper dry, especially my ends, so I tend to do a hot oil treatment probably every other time I wash my hair, just because my hair is so dry. So I go ahead and part my hair in half, and I find that this just makes it easier for me to apply the product to my roots and everything, even though my roots aren't I don't have a lot of new growth by any means, because like I said, I'm only 2 weeks post in this video, but I'm just going ahead and massaging that in. I was kind of not as generous with this product because I didn't want to run out. I only got one. I don't know why, but as you can see, I'm just placing that in my roots, and then just running my fingers through my hair to disperse the product throughout it. I absolutely love doing hot oil treatments. It's one of my new favorite things. I think it really helps your hair regain its strength and structure, so I absolutely love that. As you guys can see, my hair is pretty oily by this point. I did kind of cut it out. I didn't want you guys to be sitting here for 20 minutes of me just applying some hot oil treatment to my hair, but I just apply that to both sides of my hair, focusing it on the roots and ends, especially my ends, because like I said, with the winter months my ends get super duper dry. So I'm massaging that into my edges as well, and then I'm just twisting up my hair and securing it with some bobby pins. I still do have it split in half. I think that doing that just makes when I go under my heated cap, it just makes everything a little bit easier, and even as well when I shampoo. So I'm just doing that to both sides, just twisting it up so that the ends get the heat as well. I think this is a really key point, because sometimes when you put your heating cap on without tying your hair up, your ends kind of miss out on all the fun. So I'm just going ahead and trying to find a bobby pin at this point, and just bobby pinning up the other side, just twisting it up, and then I go ahead and put on a shower cap, and I sit under my heated cap for about 20 minutes or so, until I feel like it is completely saturated and warmed through. So once that is all done, I go ahead and rinse that out. This made my hair seem so smooth and so soft, and I was amazed. This is my first time actually using this specific hot oil treatment, but I absolutely love it, guys. I highly suggest it. I usually do my wash day routine in the shower, but I just decided that it would be easier for me to film myself in the sink, because my camera doesn't autofocus, so I just went ahead and filmed it in the sink for you guys. But for this week, I will be using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, or have watched any of my previous hair videos, you guys know that I'm obsessed with this shampoo. I haven't switched it up for quite some time now, honestly, but I love the way the shampoo lathers. It just makes my hair super duper soft but clean. I hate when my hair feels really brittle after I use a shampoo, and I find that a lot of shampoos do that to my hair, but this one just leaves my hair super moisturized but clean, and it gets all the buildup from everything out of my hair, and it just makes my hair so nice, and I love the way it lathers up. So once I'm done with the first wash, I go ahead and rinse out my hair, and my hair felt so soft, and I think it was because of that hot oil treatment. It was amazing, guys. I really suggest it. But I'm just going ahead and rinsing my hair, and then I go ahead and wash my hair again. I just do this because I want to wash out all of the product buildup in my hair. I know some people wash their hair 1 time, some people wash their hair 3 times. I think it definitely depends on your hair type, and because my hair was freshly relaxed just 2 weeks ago, I didn't have too much product buildup. I was just kind of getting the smell of the perm out of my hair, and just kind of doing my roots and stuff, because I did apply some product to my hair just to smooth down my edges, and some leave-in conditioner and stuff. So I wanted to kind of just get all that out and start fresh with my wash day. So as you guys can see, the shampoo lathers beautifully. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I don't think I'll ever use another shampoo, but we'll definitely see. Maybe another one from Shea Moisture, because I'm absolutely in love. So I am deep conditioning today, but before that, I just wanted to go ahead and use the Jamaican black castor oil conditioner. I use about 4 squirts of it. Squirts. Why did I say squirts? I mean 4 pumps of it, and I just apply it to my ends. Like I said, guys, my ends were really dry. I actually need a trim, but until I make it back to the hair salon, I'm not going to go ahead and do that. But I just let that sit in for maybe like 2 or 3, 5 minutes at the most. I go ahead and kind of just lean up and give my back a break a little bit. So as you guys can see, I just really apply that to my ends, so I'm going ahead and rinsing those out. Nothing crazy. And this rinse, I try to rinse out all of the product in my hair because I am going in with my deep conditioner, so I want to make sure that my hair is nice and clean and ready, and doesn't have any buildup or anything for my deep conditioner, because once I do my deep conditioner, I don't really like hardcore rinse out my hair again, because I like the moisturization from the deep conditioner. So once I'm done rinsing out the first conditioner, I go ahead and wrap my hair up for a little bit, and then I go ahead and take my Mega Growth deep conditioner. This is the anti-breakage and strengthen and restore one. I absolutely love this stuff. It smells like Starburst. It is amazing. It makes my hair so soft and shiny. You guys will see when I take out my roller set how shiny my hair is. It is amazing. I am so in love with this. I really do think it helped my hair grow, honestly. And because I have a relaxer, I'm not parting my hair or anything. I parted it down the middle, but I didn't do my 4 sections like I usually do if I'm more weeks post relaxer. So I just kind of massage this into my scalp, kind of giving myself a little stimulating scalp massage. I want to get one of those scalp massagers that you see a lot of girls use here on YouTube. I definitely want to pick one of those up. So hopefully probably my next wash day will include that. But I just apply a lot of moisturizer to my nape just to make sure that I get all the hair back there. As you guys can see, my hair is completely saturated with the deep conditioner. I go hard with some deep conditioner. I go through deep conditioner pretty quickly, and then I just obviously apply some to my edges because you don't want to forget those. So once again, I tie up my hair with a bobby pin, and I sit under my heated cap for about 30 minutes or so. It depends on your hair type. My hair is pretty thick, so anything less than that is kind of pointless. So I go ahead and sit under my heating cap for a little bit, and then I rinsed out that conditioner. I didn't think I had to show you guys that because I know you guys know how to rinse out your hair, I hope. So I'm just taking this, what is this? I forgot who makes this product. I forgot what spray that is. Oh, Cream of Nature. The Cream of Nature Shine Spray. It's like the one where you have to shake it. I absolutely love this. I've repurchased that spray so many times, and I use that as my leave-in. And then I go ahead in with a wide tooth comb, and I just comb out my hair from roots, from tip to root, because I'm really pretty much fresh relaxed. It's not hard for me to comb out my hair, but when I'm a lot more weeks post, I go ahead and split my hair into sections and detangle it and all that jazz. But because I'm pretty much just 2 weeks post relaxer, it wasn't too crazy for me to detangle my hair. So now I'm going ahead and starting on my roller set. I personally just like to roller set my hair. I feel like it gives my hair a little bit more body for the week, and I don't like to air dry in the winter time because I feel like I'm air drying for 800 years honestly, so that's not the way for me. So I just go ahead and roller set my hair. I've been doing this for years now, honestly. When I go to the salon, I have roller sets, so that's just what I personally like to do. I don't like wear my roller set, if that makes sense. Once I'm done with the sitting under the dryer, I go ahead and just wrap my hair, which you guys will see in a little bit. So I just go ahead and use some rollers and some metal clips from the beauty supply store, and I go ahead and do that to my whole head. I go ahead and speed this up for you guys because I didn't want you guys sitting here for 800 years, but I try to do similar size sections because that way your hair dries pretty much the same time. If you have bigger sections, some sections will dry faster. If you have smaller sections all around, then it'll take a little bit longer for your hair to dry. But I just do 2 on the sides for like my edges area, and then I do 3 rows in the back. So I have 1 going down the center and then 2 on the sides between the center one and my edges that I have. So that's what I do for my roller set. I think that this works really well for me because, like I said, I have really thick hair and it takes a long time for my hair to dry. So as you guys can see here, I'm just placing the other side curler, and you can see that I have the 2 on each side, and then I go ahead and do the middle section in the back to complete the roller set, and then I do 2 on the side, and that little piece of hair wasn't staying, but it's okay. So I go ahead and fast forward for you guys because, like I said, I don't want you guys here forever, and a roller set is really easy. You can honestly do it however you want and however it works for you. A roller set is just a roller set, you know. So I go ahead and roll up the last curler and put that metal clip in. I don't have like a net or anything that I put on, but I sit under the dryer for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. Nothing crazy, but I make sure that all of my hair is dry because it's just easier when all of your hair is dry. So as you can see, I'm taking down the roller set, and you guys can see how shiny and healthy my hair is. I am obsessed with it. I love that deep conditioner, and I think that the hot oil treatment also had a lot to do with it. It is amazing. I love the way that this turned out. I'm not going to go ahead and wear this out like this because, I mean, you look a little crazy, but I go ahead, since I wasn't doing anything this night, I just went ahead and wrapped my hair up to sleep. So I just go ahead and part my hair like I would as if I was wrapping my hair for bed. And I just was so tired by this point. I had been doing this like all day. It takes a lot to film washing your hair, guys. So I just go ahead and take my paddle brush and wrap my hair like I usually would, making sure that everything is nice. And I'm sorry that you guys can hear the motorcycles outside, but I'm going ahead and wrapping my hair using my boar bristle brush. It's also a soft bristle, but you guys can see when I move my head, my hair is so soft and so healthy. So I go ahead and take my scarf as well once I'm done wrapping my hair and just put that on. But that is it for my wash day, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I look forward to talking to you guys in my next video very soon. Until then, talk to you later. Bye, Govs.